Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send email to new Sulekha leads. I want that whenever a new lead is generated through Sulekha, which is an amazing business platform for local services, automatically an email should be sent to that new lead. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate Sulekha with Gmail, and because they do not have any kind of native integration between them, therefore we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Sulekha in our trigger and Gmail in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new lead will be generated through Sulekha, automatically an email will be sent to that new lead through Gmail. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send emails to the new leads which are generated through Sulekha. As you know, Sulekha is a digital platform for local service businesses in India, and it offers various services such as home and office improvement, properties and rentals, education and training, professional services, travel and transport, etc. So suppose you are using Sulekha for running any of these businesses, and now you want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Sulekha, automatically an email should be sent to that new lead. And how we are going to do that? For this, we are going to create an automation by integrating Sulekha with Gmail. And in order to create this automation, we are going to use an amazing automation and integration software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly, and you can come here directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, the URL in your browser. Okay, so after coming on this home page, you can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user like me, you can directly sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now, as an existing user, I am clicking on sign in. So this is the all application section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create multiple folders here. So as you can find that I have two folders here, test integration and home. In test integration folder, I have a lot of workflows saved. In the same manner, you can save your workflows in folders. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. So let's click on it, and a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us first of all give a name to this workflow. So I have given a name as automatically send emails to Sulekha leads. Okay, so after giving the name, as I have told you, that we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So here from the drop down, I have selected the folder as test integration. Now let's click on create. And as we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is a trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic principles or the basic concepts on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Okay, so the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action follows what the trigger says. So let's suppose we have selected Sulekha in our trigger and Gmail in our action, and when we will connect both of them with the help of this workflow, automatically whenever a new lead will be captured from Sulekha, let's say for home interior or for office interiors, automatically an email is going to be sent to that new lead. Okay, so this is the concept of trigger and action. Now let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application, which is Sulekha. So let's select it. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. Okay, so here we have new lead as our trigger event, and it says triggers when the new lead is captured. So this workflow is going to trigger whenever a new lead will be captured from Sulekha. So let's select it. And now here we can find that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. Okay, so basically we are going to use this webhook URL in order to capture the response of lead. So the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge in order to connect Sulekha with Pabbly Connect. Now what we are supposed to do? In order to automate the lead capture in Sulekha, we need to copy the above URL and configure it in the Sulekha account. Okay, and for this we will have to reach out to our account manager from Sulekha. Okay, so why we are supposed to do this? We have to do this So why we have to do this? Because Sulekha portal doesn't have the provision to add the URL on the user interface of their application. Okay, so that's why we need to reach out to the account manager of Sulekha in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. So what you are supposed to do, you just need to copy this URL and then you have to send it to the point of contact of Sulekha. And once you will do that, you will start receiving the response here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's just copy this webhook URL, and here we can find that we have received the response from Sulekha. So this is the response of the new lead which is recently captured from Sulekha, and here the category of the lead is electrical services. So this lead is generated for, so in the same manner you will receive the response once you will send this webhook URL to your account manager in Sulekha. Okay, so you can also customize the details of the lead according to your choice, according to your requirements. So here I have received mobile number, first name, last name, email, location, category and area of the lead. In the same manner you can also add other details for your lead. Okay, for example, here the category of the lead is electrical. You can receive the categories according to your business. Okay, so after receiving this response, what is our actual motive? Our motive is to send emails to our new leads from Sulekha. How we are going to do that? For that we will have to select our action application as Gmail. So let's select it, and now in the action event we will select send email. Okay, click on connect. And here from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a fresh connection with Gmail. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Okay, so after clicking on add new connection, we simply have to click on connect with Gmail. So Pabbly Connect has deducted the account, and now after selecting the account, we have to give the permission to Pabbly Connect in order to access our Google account. Let's click on allow. And automatically our authorization is successful. So our Gmail account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on, and here we have to enter the details. So first of all, we have to enter the recipient's email address. So let's say here we have received the email address of the person and other details also. So we are going to use the same response in order to map the details here in Gmail one by one. First of all, we will map the recipient's email address. We just have to select our previous step like this, and this is the email. So we will select it and it is mapped. So because we are mapping the details here, every time a new response will be captured from Sulekha leads, automatically these fields will be replaced with the new details. Okay, therefore mapping is very important step of every workflow, and we map the data where we want that automatically the details should be changed. Otherwise, if we will enter it manually by typing, this detail will become static and it is not going to change with every new response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire workflow without any manual process, mapping is important. Okay, now let's move on, and here we have to enter the sender's name. So I am going to enter the name as Pabbly. I want to send the email with the name as Pabbly. You can enter the name from which you want to send the email. Now the next field is of email subject. So we have to enter the subject which we want to send with the email. So here I am writing thank you for your response. And here, because I have typed this subject manually, it has become static now and it is not going to change with every new response. But if instead we will map the subject from our previous response, then it will be changed according to the new response. Okay, so here, because I want that subject should remain same for each and every email, I have entered it manually. Now the next is email content type, so it is selected as plain, and here we have to enter the body of the email. So I am going to type hello. In the place of the name of the lead, I am going to map the name as demo, and by using space I am also going to type the last name. So this is the name. Now because I have mapped this, so it is going to change with every new response. Okay, so in the place of demo user, a new name will come here. Okay, so let us type the body. Hello demo user, we have received your response. Hello demo user, we have received your response. The details are, so here in the place of email, I'm going to map the email so that it could be changed with every new response. The next is area and location. So let's map the location also, Bhopal. Our team will contact you soon on the given contact number. So I'm going to map the number here. Done. Thank you. So this is the body of the email which I want to send to my new lead. from Sulekha. Hello demo user, we have received your response. The details are email, area and location. Our team will contact you soon on the given contact number. So I have mapped the mobile number here. Okay, thank you. So if you want to attach any document or file with this email, you can enter the URL of the same here in this field. Okay, but I am ignoring it for now. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here is the response received. So the message is sent. That means our email is sent. Now let's go and check on the mapped email ID whether a new email is received or not. And yes, we can find that the email is received on the email ID. So here this is the body of the email. Hello demo user, we have received your response. The details are email, area, location, and our team will contact you soon on the given contact number. So here the contact number is also given. So we have received the email. That means we have successfully integrated Sulekha with Gmail. Now let's go back and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken two simple steps here, trigger and action. In trigger we have taken Sulekha and in action we have taken Gmail. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be captured from Sulekha, automatically an email will be sent through Gmail to that new lead. So in the same manner, you can build this integration in order to create the automation so that you can automatically send emails to your new leads from Sulekha. Okay, so this was the full workflow and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to create this workflow. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.